Let's see what will we learn from this new story. The title of this story is Kayıp says the lost voice. Ses means voice, kayıp means lost. Some of the words that I've chosen, we have utangaç means shy. Şarkı söylerdi. He or she used to sing. Okay. From şarkı söylemek. Şarkı means a song. But when you want to say someone is singing, you use these two together. Yarışma, competition. Gördü, saw, from görmek. Kuş is bird and saklı, hidden. Zeynep utangaç bir kızdı. Zeynep was a shy girl. So Zeynep, her name, utangaç, it means shy, bir kızdı, was a girl. So she was a shy girl. Güzel şarkı söylerdi ama kimseye duyurmazdı. She sang beautifully but never in front of others, or no one else could hear her. Güzel şarkı söylerdi, as we said, sing a song, or sing because we usually sing a song. Okay, she sang what? Beautifully, but no one, kimse means no one, kimseye duyurmazdı, no one heard. Okay? She wouldn't let anyone hear. From duyurmak means to hear. The mas is the negative here in our case because it is the geniş zaman and the I is the past. Bir gün okulda müzik yarışması duyuruldu. One day a music contest was announced at school. Bir gün, one day, a day, okulda, in the school, okul means school, da means in, on or at, depending on how we translate it, müzik yarışması. Music concert, or let's say a music contest. Duyuruldu was announced. Okay, from duyurmak. This UL, when we use it, it means it was announced by someone, but we don't know that person, who he is. So we use this L. Okay, as we said, arkadaşları onun adını yazdı ama Zeynep sahneye çıkmaya cesaret edemedi. Her friends signed her up, but Zeynep didn't have the courage to perform. Arkadaşları, arkadaş, we know friendlar, friends, represents Zeynep. Her friends, onun adına, in her name. From adı, yazdı here, yazmak means to write, but here since we were talking about a contest, so they signed her up. But Zeynep, ama Zeynep sahneye çıkmaya cesaret edemedi. But Zeynep didn't have the courage, so cesaret etmek here, to have the courage, the infinitive form, the me is the negative, and this is the past. Didn't have the courage, what? To perform or to go up on the stage. So, sahne means stage, sahneye to the stage, y as a protection letter between two vowels, çıkmaya to go up, cesaret edemedi, didn't have the courage. So, the translation of all the sentence is one day a music contest was announced at school. Her friends signed her up, but Zeynep didn't have the courage to perform. O gece rüyasında küçük bir kuş gördü. That night she dreamed of a little bird. O gece means that night. Rüya means what? Dream. Okay? Rüyasında, in her dreams. Okay? Küçük bir kuş gördü. She saw a small bird. From görmek, to see. And of course you know by now this is the past. Kuş şarkı söylüyor ama sesi çıkmıyordu. The bird was singing but no sound came up or out, let's say. The kuş, the bird, was singing. This one passed. But ses means voice. Sesi, his voice, çıkmıyordu, didn't come out. So there was no sound coming out. Zeynep ona. Zeynep to him, she wants to say something. Neden sessizsin? Why are you silent or quiet? But here silent is better. Why? Ses means voice. Ses is no voice. Without a voice, sin you. Why are you silent? diye sordu. She asked. Kuş cevap verdi. The kuş answered. From cevap vermek, to answer, infinitive form. Çünkü senin sesin hala bende saklı. Because your voice is still hidden inside me. Because senin sesin means your voice. This N means you. Senin means your voice. Hala, till now, until now, bende, with me, saklı, hidden. So because your voice is still hidden inside me. Ertesi gün Zeynep sahneye çıktı. The next day Zeynep stood on stage. So ertesi gün means the next day, the following day. Zeynep, her name, sahneye, we said it means stage. Çıktı, she went up the stage. So the next day Zeynep stood on the stage or came up on the stage. Ellerini titreterek mikrofonu tuttu. Her hands were shaking as she held the microphone. So ellerini, el means hand, ellerini, her hands, titreterek, by shaking, erek means by shaking, mikrofonu tuttu, she held the microphone. Ama sonra gözlerini kapadı, but later she closed her eyes, but later, but then, sonra means later, kapadı, closed what? Göz, her eyes. Ve kalbinden gelen sesi takip etti. And she followed the voice from her heart. Kalbinden gelen sesi. The sound coming from her heart. Takip etti. She followed. So she followed the sound coming from her heart. Salon sessizdi. The room, okay, the stage, all of where the people are sitting, sessizdi, was quiet, was silent. Sonra alkışlar geldi. Then came applause. So they were like clapping. Okay, alkışlar. Zeynep artık sadece sesiyle değil, yüreğiyle de konuşuyordu. Zeynep now spoke not only with her voice but with her soul. So Zeynep is Zeynep. Artık from now on sadece only sesiyle means with her voice, değil not. Yüreğiyle, which means with her heart, le means with, from the word yürek, and we have y as a protection letter. De also konuşuyordu, was speaking. So Zainab now spoke not only with her voice but with her soul. This is the English translation. Don't forget to share it with those who